Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone won't let you reset network settings, the option is grayed out, doesn't respond or shows an error. This can be frustrating, but it's fixable. In iPhone settings 2026, this issue is usually caused by screen time restrictions, device profiles, system glitches, or software bugs. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix can't reset network settings on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So why network resets may be blocked. Common reasons include like screen time restrictions enabled, work or school management profile, device not fully unlocked, or passcode issue, iOS bag or frozen settings app, or as a last reason, corrupted system preferences. Okay, so make sure you are following the correct path. So go to settings, scroll down and tap general, scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap receipts and then reset network settings. So if the option is missing or grayed out, continue below. Okay, so turn off screen time. So this is the most common fix. So screen time can block reset options. So go to settings again. Okay, like this. Scroll down and find time screen or screen time. Scroll down and tap turn off screen time. Okay, so enter screen time passcode, then reset iPhone, and then try resetting network settings again. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.